Today I'm going to show you what happens when you call Super Mario Bros. Plumbing in real life. Alright, I'm about to type in Super Mario Bros. Plumbing's phone number. So it's 929-556-2746. Oh, okay. They also called it 92955 Mario. So, yeah. I know the number is actually from New York. Is actually from Brooklyn. So, yeah. I'm also gonna put the audio on speaker so that you guys can hear it out loud. All right, here we go. I'm gonna call Super Mario Bros. Plumbing.
Thank you for calling Super Mario Brothers Plumbing. It's me, Luigi. If you need service, please text us at the same number you just called. 92955 Mario. That's 929-556-2746. Message us about any issues wherever you live. House, condo, mansion? And we'll be sure to text you back right away because at Super Mario Brothers Plumbing, we don't say let's wait. We say let's go. Oh, and check our website, fmbplumbing.com. We're still working on it, so more updates to come. Bye-bye.
And that's how you call Super Mario Bros. Plumbing in real life.